I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter. People hire me for no BS job search advice and coaching globally because I make the process of finding work much easier. Today I'm sharing how to maximize LinkedIn search filters to find and connect with professionals at companies you want to work for. Now, there's a difference between a free account and what's available to you, and a premium account and what's available to you. And I want to start off by going to the search box, hit enter, and there's going to be a series of choices there along the top. And I want you to look to the right for all filters. All filters for a free account is going to allow you to search for keywords, for job titles, skills, employers, and locations. Upgrading to a premium account and you get more advanced filters such as industry, seniority, company size, and more. These all help to drill down further to help you identify people. You can also search groups related to what you're looking for. So you might search for program managers or project managers or whatever the function is that you're interested in, and you'd be able to find ones in that way and join them so that you can connect with members at target firms, which provides you a way of engaging and networking with the right people. Boolean search adds much more, but I'm going to cover that another time. And I'll simply say the key is to search methodically using all the available filters to pinpoint leads at desired companies. Then reach out to them with a personalized message about their work and interests, your interest in having an informational conversation with them. Make it clear you're not going to ask them for a job, although if they offered you one, you wouldn't mind. But you just want to speak with them to see if they might help you in some way. By mastering LinkedIn search to focus on professionals at companies you want to work for and doing the right relationship building will move you from an applicant to a legitimate candidate when opportunities arise. Now, go out there and do the work. It will help you land this next role. I hope you found this helpful. I'm Jeff Altman. My website is thebiggamehunter.us. Go to the blog, go exploring. There's a lot there to help. Also, in lieu of that, I've got something new that's focused at JobSearch.community. And if you go there and choose an option that makes sense for you, I'd be very happy to help. There's free stuff available to you, free video courses, articles, stuff that I've written. And, as an insider, you get access to my answering questions from you. You also get, and I do that on a daily basis. You can also schedule time with me as an Insider Plus member where we'll actually get on a Zoom call with one another and speak, and I'll answer your questions for 20 minutes. Lastly, I actually coach through this site as well, and you can become an Insider Premium member, and I'll help you as part of a group or individually find your next role. Have a terrific day and be great.